Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to unlink Honkai Star Rail account. So guys, in order for you to do this, just go to their website hsr.hoyoverse.com, and this will be their homepage. So guys, just simply click on this drop down icon over here on the top right and click on Hoyoverse account. And from here, you might have to sign in again. And once you are done, you have to access all of the menus over here. Go into the account security settings. And from here, guys, you should be able to see your link account and you should be able to unlink over here. You should click unlink a button over here. And some of the accounts are permanent. If that is your case, just click on this contact us and just contact their email about unlinking your account into the Honkai Star Rail. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.